Piggyback infusion. The first step in this skill is making sure you have a patent IV line established. Next, we'll assemble the required equipment, which for this skill is the medication, IV solution, administration set, alcohol prep pads, tape and/or medication label, sharps container, and PPE for which this skill is gloves. Next, confirm the medication order, ask the patient about any known allergies, and clearly explain the procedure to him. Confirm the correct medication by using the 5 medication rights: the right patient, the right medication, the right dose, the right time, and the right route. Check the medication for clarity and expiration date and assemble the pre-filled syringe, expelling any air while maintaining sterility. Check your solution that it's the proper solution, the expiration date, free from particulate matter, and the protective caps are still in place. Assemble your drip tubing, making sure there are no knots. Slide the clamp up to the drip chamber and close, and ensure the protective caps are still in place. After preparing our equipment, we're now ready to prepare the infusion. Confirm the medication again. Clean the injection port with an alcohol swab. Inject the medication into the bag. And immediately dispose of the sharps. Gently agitate the bag to mix the medication. Remove the protective covers from the bag and the drip set, and insert the spike into the bag with a twisting, pushing motion. Invert the bag, squeeze the drip chamber to fill halfway. Carefully bleed all of the air out of the line, maintaining as much medication as possible. The first step to infuse the medication is to identify the proximal port on the primary line and clean with an alcohol prep pad. Attach the end of the secondary line to the primary line, and open the secondary line. Close this primary drip chamber. If necessary, calculate and adjust the drip rate. Label the medication with the medication, the dosage, the time, and your initials. Monitor your patient for any adverse side effects and the desired effects of the medication.